everyone, I'm Rachana. I am one of the trainers here at Bodhi. I always wanted to learn yoga, but I didn't find a proper school. But once when I came to know about Bodhi, there is no turning back. I just realized this is not only helping through my physical aspects, but also through my mental peace. And also, I was introduced to an amazing bunch of people who believe in me more than myself, boosting my confidence, constantly guiding me in every possible way. This is such a huge subject where I get to learn something new every single day, which is so refreshing. It has become a part of my life that if I miss one single day of my practice, I feel that I'm missing out something which is really important. I feel so fortunate enough that I have chosen yoga as a way of my life, and I will continue to practice for a very, very long run. Thank you so much.